In this tutorial, we'll show you how to build alerts in your Thunkable app to display important information, warnings, or prompts to users. Alerts typically consist of a pop-up dialog box that interrupts the user's current interaction with the app, providing critical messages or options for user input. In this courier app, when a user clicks the Reschedule Pickup button, we want to alert them that this will automatically cancel their previously scheduled pickup time. Let's add that functionality. Click Blocks in the upper left or press the T key on your keyboard. Under the App Features heading, locate Alerts and click the associated plus icon. Give the alert a name. The alert's title is the text displayed at the top of an alert, summarizing the purpose or topic of the alert's content. The alert's message is the main body of text displayed within the alert. It provides detailed information, instructions, or a message to the user, explaining the purpose of the alert. By default, each alert is configured to have two buttons, a confirm on the right and a cancel on the left. Adjust what you want the buttons to say on them using the text fields. The dangerous toggle is only relevant for your users on iOS and web. When set to true, the confirm button or the button's text will be red. This setting is often used to confirm a deletion of important data, log out of an account, or acknowledge a potentially risky action. We'll toggle this on for this important alert. The cancel button provides users with an option to dismiss or cancel the alert without taking any action associated with it. We'll have this button say cancel. The alert we're designing has two buttons. If we only needed one button, for example, to have the user confirm something, we would simply remove the cancel button's text to remove the button from the alert. Okay, let's complete this alert and incorporate it into our app. Click the Reschedule Pickup button in the component tree and drag and drop the When button click block into the workspace. Click the title of the alert you just created, drag the Call Alerts Show block, and drop it within the event block you added a moment ago. Let's take a quick look in the web preview. By default, clicking the Cancel button on the left will close the alert without taking any other actions. We need to tell the app what to do when the user clicks the Confirm button, in our case, the Reschedule button. Click Control, drag and If Do block, and drop it next to Then Do. If the alert was confirmed, that is, the user clicked the Confirm button, we want to navigate them to the Reschedule Pickup screen. Let's test it with the Thunkable Live app. First, we'll test the flow if a user clicks the alert's Cancel button. And now, if they click the alert's Reschedule button, great! We've built an alert to display important information to our users. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, innovation should have no limits.